Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your English class. Children, today we'll do an explanation of a poem in Gulmohar English book, grade 6. Alright, so let's start the poem. This is a poem, Cows on the Beach, written by Matthew Sweeney. Cows on the Beach, written by Matthew Sweeney. Matthew Sweeney was an Irish poet. His poetry is often fable like and humorous and stays beyond realism. This is one such unusual poem about two cows having a day out on the beach. The poet said that he wrote the poem as he was not able to click their photograph when he saw them near his house on the beach. The poet was not able to click the photographs of the cows, and so he had written this poem. He decided that he would imagine how the cows went there. He shows his sympathy towards them. Okay, so let's get started. Two cows, fed up with grass, field, farmer, barged through barbed wire and found the beach. Two cows were fed up of their same old routine. They got bored of the grass, same field, farmer, pointed, fenced wires around them. Every day they had to follow the same routine. They saw the same fields, the same farmers, the pointed wires, the same grass, and so they were very much bored. One day they walked out of the fence and reached a beach. One day they got a chance to get out of the pointed wires, and where did they go? They go and reached a beach. Each moved to each, this is a better place to be. A stretch of sand next to the sea, this is the place for me. Now, they were on the beach speaking and talking to each other. They spoke to each other that the beach was a better place to live. They were living on the farms with the farmers and the grass all around. Every day they followed the same routine. And so when they went to the beach, they were speaking to each other that the beach is a better place than the farm. The sand next to the sea fascinates the cows. They were very happy, they were very pleased to see the sand around the sea, next to the sea. They were feeling pretty good there, as if that place was meant for them only. They were very happy on the beach, and it seemed as if that place was meant for them only. And they stayed there all day, strayed this way, that way, over to rocks, past discarded socks, ignoring the few people they met. It wasn't high season yet. The two cows spent the whole day on that beach. They went here and there over the rocks. You see the rocks on the beach? So they went here and there over the rocks that were on the beach, and the old socks that had been discarded or thrown away by the people who visit the beach. Now, many people visit the beach. They come there, enjoy themselves, and sometimes their socks are torn or they are old. So they take off their old and dirty socks and throw them on the beach. So the cows were walking over the rocks and the discarded socks which were placed on the beach. There weren't much people on the beach. It was the season. See, it was the season when only very few people visit the beach. That is, it was not a high season. A high season is a season when too many people go to visit the beach. Then the season was not high. That is, the season was not favorable for the people to visit the beach. So, at that time, there were very less people on the beach. They hardly cared about the very few people they met. The cows were so busy enjoying themselves that they hardly cared about the very few people, people who crossed by on the beach. They were having a good time and they ignored everyone they met on the beach. They dipped hooves in the sea, got wet up to the knee. They swallowed pebbles and sand, found them a bit bland, washed them down with sea water, decided they real ought to rest for an hour. The two cows were having a good time on the beach. They dipped their hooves in the sea. Hooves are the hard parts of the cow's feet. Now, when they were standing on the beach, the hooves were dipped in the water of the sea. They were all wet up to their knees. The cows swallowed small pebbles and sand, though the things were tasteless for them. Now, the cows were standing on the beach. There were small stones on the beach which they were swallowing, along with the sand which is there on the beach. The things were very tasteless for them. They did not relish eating these things. You know, pebbles don't have any taste. So, as they were swallowing the pebbles, they were not relishing, they were not enjoying the taste of the pebbles, as it is always tasteless. The cows washed themselves with the water, and after doing all this, they decided to rest for a while. They had enjoyed a very big time on the beach, and now, after washing themselves with the water of the sea, the two cows decided to take rest. They made up their mind to relax for some time. Both were sure they'd never leave here. Imagine they'd live so near and never knew. Now, the two cows were very sure. They both had decided that they were now in a better place and they were going to stay on the beach forever. They would never leave from there. Imagine they were both living so near to that wonderful place, and yet they had not discovered it. Now, the two cows found that they were in a better place than before, and they were wonderstruck that the place was so near to their farm and still they had not discovered it yet. With a swamped moo, they sank into sleep, woke to the yellow jeep of the farmer, revving their feet from the incoming sleep. "This is no place for cows to be," he shouted, and slapped them with seaweed all the way home. The two cows exchanged sounds. What is swapped moo? Swapped moo is when one animal is taking out a sound and the other animal repeats the same. So the two cows, they were exchanging sounds. Seeing one moo, the other one also started mooing. They were so happy that after exchanging their sounds, they went down to deep sleep. They got up by the sound of a farmer's jeep revving. The farmer was revving his jeep. What is revving? Revving is raising the sound of the engine after stopping the vehicle. You know, when the vehicle stops and the sound of the engine is made, that is called revving. The farmer was revving his yellow jeep to wake the cows up, as both the cows were sleeping and the farmer wanted to wake them up and take them back home. He shouted at them, slapping them with a seaweed and screaming. He said, "The beach is not a place for you." He screamed, took the cows back home, that is, back to the farm. He came there, woke them up, and with the seaweed, he slapped both of them and took both the cows back to their home, that is the farm.